If you've installed the Retrospect client software on computers throughout your network, you can add those clients to your copy of Retrospect so that you can use them for backup operations. On the left side of the screen, go to Sources and click Add. Retrospect will then scan your network and show you machines that are on the network and available to be backed up. You simply select that machine and then click on Add and enter the client password. Once you've done that, that client will then be added to your copy of Retrospect. If you need to add additional machines that are outside the local subnet, you can use Subnet Broadcast to connect to those computers. If a computer doesn't appear in this list, you can go to Add Source directly and enter the IP address and the client password, and Retrospect will do a direct lookup for that machine at that specific IP address. We've already added the client we're interested in, so we can just click on Done, and it'll appear in the list of available sources. By clicking on the down arrow, Retrospect will show us all the disks that are on that computer, and it'll show us statistics about that particular disk. If I click on the Browse button, Retrospect will connect to that computer and display for us the listing of all the files and folders that are on that drive. We can then go ahead and we can specify a specific folder to be added as a favorite folder. We used to call that a sub-volume in older versions of Retrospect. Click on Add to Favorite Folders, and then that folder will be added to Retrospect. And then we click on Done, and we'll see that folder directly below the disk inside the list of available sources. Now when we set up a backup script, or if we're doing a immediate backup operation, then we'll be able to select that folder and use that as a source instead of the hard drive the source belongs to.